Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GetResponse payments and W-9 verification readiness step by step clearly. To verify GetResponse payments, begin by logging into your GetResponse account. Navigate to the billing section, which you can find in the account settings. Look for the Payments History tab to view all transactions. Identify the payment you want to verify by checking the date and amount. Click on the payment details to see further information. Make sure to check the payment status, which should indicate if it was successful, pending, or failed. If you have any discrepancies, take note of them for further follow-up. Next, to prepare for W-9 verification, access the tax information section in your account settings. Download the W-9 form if you haven't completed it yet. Fill in all required fields accurately, including your name, business name, address, and tax identification number. Ensure you sign and date the form as needed. Return to the tax information section in your GetResponse account. Upload your completed W-9 form for submission. Double-check that all information is accurate to avoid processing delays. Confirm the submission and look for a notification that it has been received. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the status of your W-9 verification. By following these steps, you can effectively verify payments and ensure your W-9 is ready for processing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.